Being liked and appreciated by others is a universal desire. Whether it's in social settings, at work, or within relationships, we thrive on meaningful connections and positive interactions. But what if there was one fundamental trait or behavior that could make almost anyone like you? While human relationships are complex, research and psychology point to a single, transformative principle that holds immense power: genuine empathy. In this video, we'll delve into why empathy is so impactful, how it works, and practical steps you can take to cultivate it in your life. Along the way, we'll explore scientific insights, real-world examples, and actionable strategies to help you become someone others gravitate toward naturally. Why empathy is the key to being liked. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. It's not just about sympathizing with someone, it's about putting yourself in their shoes, seeing the world from their perspective, and responding in a way that shows you genuinely care. Psychological basis of empathy. Empathy taps into a fundamental human need: the need to feel seen, heard, and valued. When people perceive that you understand them, they feel validated and respected, which fosters trust and connection. This emotional resonance is the foundation of likability. Neuroscience backs this up. Mirror neurons in the brain are activated when we observe others' emotions or actions, enabling us to mirror their feelings. This biological mechanism helps us connect on a deep level, making empathy a built-in tool for forming bonds. The universal appeal of empathy. Empathy transcends cultural, social, and individual differences. It's a universal language that everyone understands. When you demonstrate empathy, it shows that you value others' experiences and emotions, making them feel important and appreciated, a trait universally admired. How empathy makes you likable. Empathy is more than a trait. It's a skill that influences how others perceive you. Here are a few key ways empathy enhances likability. Builds trust. People are more likely to trust someone who demonstrates understanding and compassion. Trust is the cornerstone of any positive relationship, and empathy lays the groundwork for it. Enhances communication. Empathy allows for better communication by fostering active listening and thoughtful responses. When others feel heard and understood, they're more likely to open up and engage with you. Reduces conflict. Understanding another person's perspective can diffuse tension and prevent misunderstandings. Empathy helps you approach disagreements with kindness and patience, leading to more harmonious interactions. Creates emotional connection. Empathy fosters a sense of emotional intimacy. Whether it's a coworker, friend, or family member, this connection makes others feel valued and drawn to you. Boosts your reputation. People often speak positively about empathetic individuals, enhancing your reputation as someone who is kind, approachable, and trustworthy. Practical steps to cultivate empathy. Now that we've established the importance of empathy, let's explore practical ways to develop and demonstrate it in your daily interactions. 1. Active listening. Active listening is the foundation of empathy. This means paying full attention to the speaker, avoiding interruptions, acknowledging their emotions with phrases like, "That sounds really difficult," or, "I can see why you feel that way." 2. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, ask open-ended ones that encourage people to share more. For example, how did that experience make you feel? What's been on your mind lately? This shows genuine interest in their perspective. 3. Practice perspective taking. When faced with someone's emotions or challenges, ask yourself, how would I feel in their situation? What might they be going through? This mental exercise helps you step into their shoes and respond with greater sensitivity. 4. Validate their feelings. Validation is a key component of empathy. Even if you don't agree with someone's perspective, you can acknowledge their emotions by saying things like, "It makes sense that you'd feel this way. I can understand why this is upsetting for you." 5. Be present. Empathy requires presence. Avoid distractions when interacting with others, whether it's putting away your phone or maintaining eye contact. This small act shows that you value their time and feelings. 6. Practice self-awareness. Empathy starts with understanding your own emotions. By being self-aware, you're better equipped to manage your reactions and respond thoughtfully to others. 7. Show small acts of kindness. Sometimes, empathy is expressed through actions rather than words. Offering help, giving a compliment, or simply being there for someone in need can speak volumes. The transformative power of empathy. Empathy doesn't just make others like you, it transforms the way you see the world. When you approach interactions with understanding and compassion, you build deeper relationships and create a positive impact on everyone you encounter. Real-world impact. Imagine being the coworker everyone feels comfortable talking to, the friend others turn to for support, or the family member who brings harmony to gatherings. These aren't just social perks, they're signs of a life enriched by meaningful connections. Empathy and leadership. Empathy is also a hallmark of great leaders. In professional settings, empathetic leaders inspire trust, loyalty, and collaboration. By understanding their team's needs and challenges, they create environments where everyone thrives. Common misconceptions about empathy. Empathy makes you weak. Some people fear that being empathetic will make them vulnerable or overly emotional. In reality, empathy requires strength and emotional intelligence, which are far from weaknesses. Empathy is just being nice. Empathy goes beyond politeness. It's about understanding and responding to others' feelings in a meaningful way, not just being agreeable. You either have it or you don't. Empathy is a skill that can be developed with practice. Anyone can become more empathetic by making a conscious effort to understand others. Empathy, the ultimate likability superpower. While there's no magic formula to make everyone like you, empathy is the closest thing to a universal key. It's a trait that transcends barriers, connects people, and fosters trust and admiration. By practicing empathy in your daily life, you'll not only enhance your relationships but also grow as a person. So, the next time you're in a conversation, pause and ask yourself, how can I truly understand and support this person? The answer might just be the one thing that makes everyone like you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building better relationships and improving your life.